Hey there! Are you ready for something super cool? Today we're going to uncover a really fun secret. A secret about how all our stories and sentences actually work.
Seriously, it's true. And once you know the secret, you can build any sentence you want. How awesome is that? Okay, let's dive right in. Look at this one. Even a fun little sentence like this has two secret parts, and they work together just like a team.
Okay, so the first secret part, think of it as the star of the show, and it has a special name. We call it the subject.
So the subject is basically the main character of our little sentence story. It's the who, or the what, the whole sentence is about, the most important part. Let's look at an example. The boy stood on the burning deck. Now, who is this whole sentence about? Yep, it's about the boy. So he's our star. He's the subject. And what about this one? Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. Can you guess who the star is here? You got it. It's Little Jack Horner. He's the subject.
Okay, so if the subject is our star, what's that second secret part? Well, every star needs to do something, right? And that is the action.
This action part has a name, too. It's called the predicate. The predicate tells us everything the star of our sentence is doing, or even what the star is. It's the whole action part of the story.
So, let's think back to our friend Humpty Dumpty. If he's the star, the subject, what did he do? Well, he sat on a wall. See, that's the action. That whole part is the predicate. And look at this. If the Earth is our star, our subject, what does it do? Easy. It revolves around the sun. That's the action, so that's our predicate. So you see, these two secret parts, the subject and the predicate, they really need each other. You can't have one without the other. It's like two puzzle pieces that just click together to make a whole picture. Exactly. You gotta have the who or the what, that's our star, the subject, and then you need to know what they're doing. And that's the action, the predicate. Put them together and poof, you have a complete thought.
Okay, now that you're in on the secret, how about we play a little game? Let's try to find the parts in some brand new sentences. You ready?
All right, first one. The cackling of geese saved Rome. Think about it. Who or what is the main thing this story is about? Is it about Rome? Or is it really about that funny sound the geese made? That's it. The star of this sentence is the cackling of geese. The whole story is about that noisy sound. And what did that noise do? It saved Rome, so that's our action, the predicate. See how it works?
Okay, let's try one more. Stone walls do not make a prison. Now the star here is pretty easy, right? It's stone walls. So what's the action part? What is the sentence telling us about those stone walls? You got it. The predicate is do not make a prison. And that's a really cool thing to remember. The action part can be what something is doing, or, like in this sentence, what it isn't doing. Pretty neat, huh?
Wow, you totally did it. You've just learned the secret recipe for basically every sentence ever. How amazing is that? All you have to do is remember these two super easy steps. Step 1, find the star. Just ask who or what is this about, and you found the subject. And step 2, find the action. Everything else in the sentence is the predicate. It's really that simple.
You are now officially a sentence expert, a sentence builder. You know the secret code behind how all stories work. So go on, start looking for the star and the action in everything you see and read, and have a ton of fun building your very own amazing sentences.